Hello, this is Tanisha and this is Milestone 1 for my object detecting with TensorFlow and Raspberry Pi. I first started with attaching the heatsinks to the CPU, RAM, and the USB controller before moving to attach the fan and camera. Once everything was firmly set, I inputted the SD card into the Raspberry Pi and plugged in all the cables to connect the Raspberry Pi to a power source and an external monitor. Once I plugged in the HDMI cable into the monitor, the Raspberry Pi interface opened up. After setting up the basic configurations as well as updating everything, I needed to enable the SSH for the remote connection and the Raspberry Pi camera for the live video feed. I went to sudo raspi configurations to the interface to enable both. I then went on my MacBook and set up the SSH connection using the following command to be able to access the Raspberry Pi terminal. The final step was to test the camera. Fortunately, it seemed to work, except the video feed was flipped upside down. After some research, this seemed to be an easy fix, and Milestone 1 was successful. During this process, I experienced a multitude of errors and issues, from delayed deliveries to hardware issues. The camera module was extremely sensitive and would often disconnect, which involved me resetting the configurations and rebooting everything. And it later came to my attention that the Raspberry Pi OS needed to be downloaded on my SD card, causing me to reset everything and repeat all my prior steps. Regardless, I was able to complete the setup and begin my base project.